and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe, today is our entry. It's mid-December. We're doing a hashtag grilled cheese please. Babe thought of that.
I came up with that.
Hashtag grilled cheese please. Grilled cheese collaboration with many of the other cooks in the YouTube Cooks community. So as you're searching around today, and if you're into grilled cheese, which you're gonna see a lot of grilled cheese today, if you're searching around, go ahead and click on the hashtag grilled cheese please. In this episode, what you're gonna see is Babe's recreation of a grilled cheese that she thought of. I'm just along as the cameraman. I'm just along for the ride on this one. So Babe thought of this. This is Babe's Italian spin on a sourdough grilled cheese sandwich made inside on the cast iron skillet. But before we start, I gotta show this little clip of the rain today. We live in Southern California. Well, I live in Southern California full time. And it doesn't rain. And it rained today like Mother Nature was angry.
California was wet today.
Yeah.
Instead of being on fire, today California was wet.
Yeah. All right, so without further ado, it's grilled cheese time. And here we go! Yeah, babe, let's look at your shirt.
It says, what does it say?
It says, baby, it's cold outside.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
Hoping that you drop
so
in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands.
Yeah.
I love it.
All right, babe, let's talk about the ingredients for your grilled cheese that you're creating.
Okay, I use sourdough. This is my favorite sourdough brand. You can find it anywhere. And then I use garlic spread. Actually, I usually use mayonnaise as mine to cook a grilled cheese, but they wanted to use garlic spread because I actually, we have a local bakery in Reading that does a garlic sourdough, so we thought that would be good. Basil pesto sauce goes right inside. Right inside. And then you're gonna layer mozzarella cheese.
Do you mean layers of flavor?
Layers of flavor. Sliced tomato and basil. That's it. That simple. So it's a tomato, basil, mozzarella grilled cheese. And then since it was an Italian spin, Babe felt that we really needed Chianti because we're having an Italian dinner tonight. Needed Italian wine.
Was that not a proper wine pour, babe?
No, that was a get your ghetto on wine pour. Smells like cheap Italian Chianti.
This bottle was $8.90. Oh, it's good.
It's like a watery grape juice. Okay.
So garlic butter on the outside and pesto on the inside?
Yes, sir. Why do they make these packages so difficult to open? Like, so you just have to get so messy. We're starting with the butter over here. You want to get a lot on there so it gets nice and crispy.
Is the pesto sauce.
The pesto sauce. And you don't want like a crazy amount, but that's gonna be one of your main sources of the flavor. Oh my gosh. Babe, have you ever seen a tomato slice like that in your life? Like in real life, at home?
In real life.
In real life, like at home.
Can we talk about you got your nails done today, babe?
Yeah.
You got your nails did?
Yeah.
Let's see. Those are kind of pointy.
They're pointy. Yeah, and there's some nail polish on the sides, but that's okay. They're kind of fun.
They're winter nails.
Yeah. Cheese down next. And then you top it right here with your basil leaves. Because you don't really need like a whole lot of those. They're more just for the pretty look. And then we're gonna put just a little more cheese. I mean, it's a really simple sandwich, but the flavor is so good. Just got a little more right here and right here. Okay.
We'll put some salt and pepper in there too?
Nope.
Nope.
That's
But you
it.
only have one side buttered right now.
Well, I'm
right?
gonna start up the cast iron right now and I'm gonna put butter down.
Got it.
Yeah. Should be having top ramen with our grilled cheese.
Why would we have top ramen with a grilled cheese?
Didn't you ever come home from church on Sunday and that's all you were allowed to have is grilled cheese and top ramen?
No, those two things don't even go together.
That's what my mom would make us. Sandwiches and top ramen every Sunday after church.
That's like starch on starch.
That was our treat.
Top ramen?
Didn't get these curves from eating fruit and vegetables. I'm gonna put the butter in for my first side.
The side that's not buttered.
The side that isn't buttered yet. I like to melt my butter.
Oh, babe, how's it going? Nice to talk to you. How was work today?
That was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I worked and then I got my nails done.
Yeah?
Yeah, how was your day?
No, I just worked.
Yeah.
I didn't get my nails done.
I know, we both need pedicures.
All right, back to cooking. Okay, so what's the plan? Put it on the side that's not buttered?
Yep, we're gonna lay it down and we're gonna let it sit. This is really big, so I have to touch it. Sorry.
That's what she said. What's Santa bringing you for Christmas?
I don't know.
Nothing.
I don't think anything.
You told me that we're not exchanging gifts.
We're not, but then you had a gift and you said
It was 20 bucks.
it was 20 bucks. So
Yeah.
now I get a $20 gift, whatever you got me, and then whatever my mom and dad got us.
Babe, how's that wine?
It's terrible.
That's like the #1 seller at Italian restaurants.
I know. You're probably already drunk when you sit down and order that wine.
It's not that bad. I mean, it's not that good, but
Terrible. It
Yeah,
tastes
babe.
like water.
yeah, babe.
And
Yeah.
it burns.
And it burns?
Yeah.
No, babe, no.
Yeah, baby.
So this is the second flip?
Yeah, let's pray that I don't break it open. Ready?
Okay.
Woo! Some of it came out.
Congratulations! Blah, 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 blah. Post Malone and congratulations!
Yeah, baby, yeah. Josh and I are having a debate, so here we go. We need answers to this. Josh just said that I pre-assembled it because I cook it low and slow. And I didn't understand what he was saying because I've never cooked a grilled cheese one piece by one piece before.
No, I'm saying the way I've
But
always cooked grilled
you-
cheese was I put the bread down right there and then I let it get warm, then I put the stuff and then I put the topper on and then later I flip it. You had the whole sandwich assembled and set it down in the thing
Yeah.
because you're cooking it so low
That's
and
not
slow.
why I did that.
Well, what? I don't understand.
Because I've never not pre-assembled my grilled cheese.
But you're not cooking it, you're cooking it very slowly.
That's how I cook all of my grilled cheeses. That's how you don't burn them.
Okay.
I've never heard.
I don't
in my
understand,
life,
babe.
I've never in my life heard of putting the bread down first and then putting.
I mean, you flipped this like 22 times so far.
Yeah, that's because I want it to be
Evenly cooked.
yummy and evenly cooked. That's the point of a grilled cheese, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I put a lid on because I want everything to melt a little more.
So you turn the
bread-
flame off.
Yeah. And now it's just sitting in the heat and it's gonna melt the cheese a little bit more. Okay.
All right, well, Babe is finishing it and setting up the plate and everything like that. We want to thank you guys for watching. That is our entry into hashtag grilled cheese please. And I can't wait to see everybody else's entry. And if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. We're not the best home chefs, but at least we'll give you some motivation to get in the kitchen and a couple ideas. Scroll around on our channel. We have over 100 videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're awesome, and we really appreciate you supporting our little hobby. So thank you guys, and that's it, right, babe?
And that's it.
That's it. All right, check out these final pictures of how it turned out. See you guys.
Congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had to dedicate.
Try it.
All right, babe. This is your creation.
Okay, you have that one, I'll have this one.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Where'd you go, babe?
Come on here. What do you think?
Oh, that's scrumptious.
The garlic butter was a good idea. Good job, babe.
That was great.
It was really yummy.
You guys gotta try this. A hot bruschetta, almost. Garlic, fresh basil, tomato, the pesto, lots of cheese. Very Italian. Mm.
Oh, very Italian.
Oh, yeah, good.
Yeah.
Good job, babe. You did good. All right.